First, you need to identify the USB drive and its partition by running the following command, which will list all the storage devices connected to your system. This command will display a list of all block devices. Look for your USB drive in the list.
Chance to love again, then we can't erase and rewrite all our history.
A mount point is a directory where the USB drive will be attached to your file system. So run the following command to create a mount point. To ensure that the correct drive is mounted every time, we'll use the UUID of the USB drive, which is a unique string that identifies the partition. Run the following command to find the UUID of your USB drive. Look for the line that corresponds to your USB drive, then copy the UUID. You'll need it in the next step. Open the fstab file in a text editor with root privileges. Add the following line at the end of the file. Replace the UID you copied earlier. The VFAT part is the file system type of your USB drive. If your USB drive uses a different file system, like ext4 or NTFS, replace VFAT with the appropriate type. Save the file and exit the editor. In Nano, press Ctrl plus X, then Y and Enter. Finally, reboot your system to ensure that the USB drive mounts automatically at boot. After the system restarts, check if the USB drive is mounted by running this command. If everything is set up correctly, your USB drive should be listed and ready to use.